Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this headless hack on Dress to Impress. So we are going to remove everything first on the head, and then we are going to start. So first, we are going to use this hair. You can color it to any color you want. I'm just going to color it this blonde. And for the position, I'll do Y at 0.35 and Z at 0.33. Then I'm going to use the second hair in that same color. Then for the adjustments, I'll do Y at 0.08 and Z at 0.55, and we're going to scale it up to 0.8. Then for the hat, we are going to use the cowboy hat. I guess you can use any hat you want. I'll set it to 0.76 for the scale. For the position, Y at 0.33 and the Z at 0.44. And then as you can see, it looks like it's headless. I know it's just like a piece of hair, but it does look kind of like the neckline. But now it's headless. You can use, I guess, any hat you want for this, but you still need to use the hair for it. But that is it. That is how you can become headless on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.